Ia maru taku ai. Singa kama mianga mori. Yaru ni. Taku kama faiba. Yaru lava, baila. Ia maru taku ai. Ia. Tayari safau. Ia kalau masam ia. Depois mesmo ainda kopi. Na dia kopi. Ia ainda ainda papa, mãe. Malu Tatau ainga ina ya wisa mai se ya di tia pira wisa ya kapo mai kum faya skala war kapo ainga ya ma lava we lava lava baila cuma kai wa kulia ngai ngaru kai au inga wala fuia akan malu fit save o le seu wa lele wa maka in sare yu wa fa pepe foi mango fa wa lele wa sa kingo mama le las ko ale wa makia ki sa wa ku foi ngadu fu fa o lele wo ku ya ngai kai wa pa ye ka fa ku a mo ko ngi pa ya wa le sumai suma fa ku a maru fa dua ko kosu ia pa foi le angari pa ia wa le fio kaulangi sa kuala e ar manu koko ya maunga fa fam malu ya fa ya liwa ku ngeku ya le ka ta kasmer ki nga ai ima ki nga makua ya litia. We are here with Litia and the family. We are also here with Wisa, Peter, Joe, and all our families on Deon's side. Pape foi, the fiong of Ngafkas. We have the Ngafkas' family here, his sons, all his children, and all his family and his friends. I would like to give the respects to the traditional custodians of the land, people of the Eora, the Darug nations, of our great Aboriginal lands. What was, what is, and what will always be Aboriginal lands. Maru kako akungu, paya wala ang kas, o le fango mo le vai manga, ka pe poiro sungo maku, a ke ngangi fo isa paku makau fango. Maru falko, fale kawai ku mara fale kau kunga, paku yon mo, makama mo akeri, mo ana. Abe fo ko kor fale, a fai fo vai ange wa fale mo. Awan maku kas, kama fasa suwa mo le vai fungo, fo mai kula. Sa ore sa rea mo malawi mo sa ku kuila. Anga mais fam kalanga wa fan ka kama magainga ainga foi mala. Ba ye ku mo pure ku au mala la kawa. Ainga kai mar ba fo. E fale o mo mala kinga mala korus ha. Fale aka mana ma fu sa mau ma ka. Mar ba iyo ba ka ki. Ba ya ma sa mo fa ka fa e ba iya ma ka ka ma ni. Au kaya. Ya kaya mo ka ku fa. Kele kaya sa mo. Kaya ka le. Au ki ka kara. Nang kaya mo mga faka yang mes mo sabi. Ang faper aver ni kaya o fem ka pa mo. Ora kaya o ka ko mon mawinga. E fa mo mo la go ngi. Ya chase. Pul mo. Ya ma tio. Ape aver ni kaya o fem ka pa mo. Mo se kau diuma. Kulop. Ai fa kai de rofa ma na de. Ora se mala ko fik. Ora se mala ko. Wa e au mangu wa kafe au ma. Wele ni umea wa kuus singa ka. Wa kabu wa ki. Kaf kai de rofa ma. Ai sua ya man manule. Sumar ka ko faido. Yes kai mi ka wa nga na ka ko wa ya nga kasi ni. Ai sua ya wa ku fa ngai ure ka ko singa. O le nganu kai o aga. Wa ma ngabara ko ari sua ma ai ngalo ku fa. Wa moe mea fai faiba i le aku ka ai alo mara se fa malos fa pura wa mbo le po si au sau le wa ka okko mai o le fa le na pupu la o nga o sila tiki fa le o ma la e la o mori aku fa kai ma ko ke fa kai ke ya I lo loko fa ma loko fa ma sua ma le fa lua le ma kanga ke le wasu a fa ko ma ko so dia o sa le fa iwa o so le parki fa ma ma mai pe ka ku sa a sua fa mo mori e kam fa ya ki fa ya ai me alo fa ya mai tina ya mitia mai se luisa marusa pirama cho fa solo mai ai no la kas maru la ko ai and my so family is 7 kids Deon. This is the gifts. This is the gifts also. Ya fioma na kasi ya kumo. Pa ia wa makuari sa wa na nafkas pala ko kai. Aya ko fuat ko kulia sa ka. Maru la ko ai. All the family here on both sides. Yeah, he never left for Leo fa ni. The ko finga ya neta. She's not here with us today, but she has her sui here, Saku, and the kids. Ele ngalo a fia so. Yes. Ele ngalo foi kam fainga, e kau singo kambale. Ko faia moe, ia ma fionga ia pali. E ui lao kako se aku resi kunanga kako lu. Ale ngalo la kam fainga wa kau singo. Ia ai aru maia o fionga so. Era kam fai aku kaku ai. Me masangi ai kaku no. Olo fa solo le. Chihu! Olo fa kamari le. Por su inga mari ival. Yai male suaka. Masang yai kaku aku. Lalu ai. Pa belor kata pai. Ya, baik. O yai malu faos. Oleh pusat pisuku. Aduh. Ya wo yai foi malau au. Vai far puxa mas. Kai aro. Ya. Ai kai Deon malau. Yes, kanyang ko hindi wak ngit puso. Ade ngalo foi ngalo ngalo. Au kau. Ya, rufa solo le chess. Ape foi fa solo. A Junior, pa kai au no. Bom milagre ka. Ele siri kai no kapwa. Nga mias no se swani nga vemos. Ya. Lo pase sere a sua. Saya ya voy a ir por pase sore. Al coso. Junior. Ya, o chess. O quarta na passes. Ya na mal nelen ko malanga mai. Aso uma. Lunga le M4, M7. Ya ko ani si M. Ya no ko. Ya. Au ia lea. Ia, e rea ngaru foi ngaru e ngā kakai. Maru whane koe maru wha. Nau sunga kakai, ia ro whasolo. Ia ro sunga kakai, ia.
Kai lava.
Mo pasise. O ia o kaku ai. Ia ai peo karo fai kaimo solo. Ia. Kauanga keu ia kaku. Ro. Ia ro kaku fakasi marko kingam. Mo ia ai Faaaloaloga kaku. Ia o ro fa solo lea, Luisa. Dia whaakai le kaumai i re kero aso i re whai ngofi whaakai a o le manu ai kapu whamumui o roke a kusi re ia koe kasi a kapu e a mangi kapu e to mumori o re ia lea ami mamau mai tempo. Ami mamau mai tempo ia rea sumai sua Brian ia marang ko no marpangau. E fai e kapu fai. E fai mano ko fa. Ro ko fa lea. Oh, I never will forget you. Samu I never Suluape, Tatau will always love you. Ya, pakais makuleu. Ya mama ya lang. Ko ya bali awal ka ko mo. Maul manguia lo suma. Awal nga ko pai ka pula e o samo. Ai mai so lo au kau. Ya pa ia man ka ko ai. Mam. Liu aku ngai ku. Mori aku fakai. Ka kingama ko ya likia. Ya mai se ka ko ai. Vaila. A fioma la rosinga, ka ko le fai ka ko fakasi ni tula ka ko. Ya manguia ka ko fa mo. Ya no fare kuwa. Mori aku ka langa soifua ka ya. Faz ka ko le kuwa. Awo ni uma temini. A fa wa pe le aso. Ma le aso ka ko fa mo. Ya manguia ngai ku ka ko ai. Manguia ka ko ai ga ku. Manguia foi mar ka ko mo. Afkai. O ngau Yesu. Amen. Ya, o taimi foi lea. Wala wak. We got some gift giving. Okay, doa sua, mare ai. Ya, ko ki mara lama. We have some gifts from others as well that we would like to present. If you want to come here, John. This is a gift from John.
Hello, John.
Afkai mo le sa ka ko ai. Yep, California mo. Yes, be alofa. If anyone's got any special gifts, or you want to say something, there's plenty of time. This is an open book. Like I said, we are lucky that we have Sua here. He understands everything. Understands our culture, especially for our younger kids. Go. Say something.
I painted this many years ago. I was 17, 18 years old. I feel it's right to give it to Deon. I feel like the blue represents the ocean, the waves, through life there are always different currents, things pull us in different directions, and we just have to ride the waves sometimes. And you know, you guys are from, you know, the Pacifica. So that's what this represents. It's for Samoa and it's for you. This is a little fella woven from banana paper. It has a mix of the pea and the siapo designs. And from one artist to another, it's for you.
Joe, give them a hug and a kiss.
And a squeeze.
And a squeeze me.
This is very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Joe.
Hello, Joe.
Is any more gifts? No? Yeah, I love coffee. Always or cup king or cup for more. Faz kaku kala, ya, la for lo kaku failo. Un kaku kaku anu ya, kaku for mo, le am fa lo. Ai,
I love mo.
Saying thank you is at this point for me. I want you to feel the weight. I actually want to say thank you 1,000 times. Thank you so much for everything, the family, everybody here, everyone that played a role today and throughout the last 2 weeks. I did want to quickly just go through what we've done today with the boys' journey. So this is the closing ceremony where we complete the training and the Faaaloaloga, the rules that I put in place in the beginning. I finally lifted, symbolized in the breaking of the egg. That's the new life, their new life. As I'm doing that, I'm doing the final blessing and I'm lifting all those rules off them so that they can go continue their new journey. The oil, the oil Samoa and the turmeric mixed together, the summer. It's where the word for the ceremony came from, Faaaloaloga. It's yellow. They wear yellow ears. It's in the theme. But the turmeric itself has anti-inflammatory, has health benefits. So we've used it for centuries to help heal the mother fear, the mothers. That all comes together in the washing away of the old and helping the new heal and come out fresh. So these boys' journey has been completed today. Their vital field journey has completed today. But their next journey now begins. The next journey in their life is now learning how to wear it, when to use it, when to show it, how to share it properly in a way that represents our people the right way. It's been a pleasure, boys. For both myself, Michael Sauce, Jazz, and Junior, and on behalf of my family, thank you guys so much for everything. We're proud of you, and I pray that God blesses you in your journey ahead. Many laughs, many memories have been made. God bless. Good luck, and I wish you the best. Thank you again for the family. Ainga Vaila, the farm, African Kenya. Thank you for coming. Yeah, God bless everybody. Thank you for having us. It's been a pleasure.
ya, kaisua. Ang di malaki siya dengan bermasing. whai anga koe whao wau taku whapamoe, o le whai whonga ria o wau. E mea ngaru ia, tai fo ia Deon maru tatu all the wives who were involved in this, that was helping out. We have a big clap for all our wives. Very well. Yeah, makamai. That's why our kids. Yeah, o mga ngi mai ale sungaria. Kapaki. Apea sa mo kasina. Le kara kap from the mori aku sila pakai mori ai. One by one, if you guys can say something. Le ava mo fa. Love.
Kaya sunga, so kaya Paulo, maaari pa mo. It's been a very good journey this last 2 weeks. Getting to know our culture. We don't know what to do. Singa. Yeah, not mika ya. Kaya ang papika uli o lang ay ay mawasa ko na fay sa pe. Yo. Kauli yung pamamoy uli. Kaya ro fo le aku. Just want to say thanks to my brothers, Junior and Mark. Bill. Big brother Ross. Also. Ele lava upu. Ele lava upu. Kai lava fai uso. Agora é a maga ia mai. We've been friends for 30 years. For you guys to do this for me and Deon. Thank you, my family, my cousins, my girl cousins and their partners.
Yes.
Thank you for being here today. I hope I made you guys proud. My boys, I love you. I did this for you. Do better than that. Do better than that. You have all my blessings. Keep your faith. Most important thing to me. Just keep your faith. Deon's family, thank you for all the support. Thank you for everything that you guys have done through the week. Lynette, Tatau, always coming through with food and making sure that we've got breakfast. And Sister Christy as well, thank you. We couldn't have done this, we couldn't have completed this journey without you guys. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm not a man with words. But my heart is full of gratitude. Thank you guys. Thank you for helping me through this journey, and Brother Deon. Tonight, after I enjoy our way, so my names. That's fantastic. So, Jazz, Junior, Kai Lover. Thank you for this gift. Mà tôi em cô mà vâng ạ. Cô phạm bởi môi. waka la'i male, kako mamusinga, yo kako palaka. Guys, thank you, Junior. Kailangan. So, kaya also. Okay, everyone. Just want to touch base on the Paulo also here. Jason, this would have been impossible without all of you being here. Yeah, just really grateful for the support and just all the love that's you've been shown, and especially Emma and Cosmos. It's definitely been a journey. Thank you to all of our wives and partners and Sana Bill and always bring me breakfast. And, very proud. It's just been an emotional journey, especially for the both of us. Probably the most I've cried. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to all of our family and friends and all you boys and to my wife too and my kids. Thank you from all of us.
Biar kawanga yese kalau kaku kai. Mulia aku saya kau. Kalau kes kaku pokaran. Sudah kai.
Six of us. The 6 boys. Deon, Ace, myself, Bill, Mark, Ross. We always have this pool comp at my house every second week. Fridays, my phone is just going off. What time are we coming over? What time are we coming over? We always talked about this day. We've always talked about it. Me and Ace, we talked about this years ago. And then I continued on with my journey. Then when Ace gave me the call and he said, also, I'm ready. Nice. And he said to me that I need a partner. At the same time when he rang me up, Deon caught up with Mark. Then Mark called me. I got a partner for Jason. Who? Deon. And I said, perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, look. They actually got the same hairstyle, these guys. Yeah, sponsored by yeah. And then I made a phone call. Suluape. I need a date. Can you help me with the date? He gave me the date straight away. Looked in this book. Yeah, I got this date for these 2 girls. And when I rang the boys back up, the boys knew straight away, goes, oh my gosh, it's actually happened. Yeah. Then we met up 2 weeks after that with Suluape inside his house. Spoke to the boys, spoke about the journey. They asked questions, so I answered, took them through the whole journey. From that time till today. Us as a family also, Suluape, we're forever thank you. We're forever grateful for your work, your family's histories work. The boys, day after day, big sessions, long days, You know, even sis, we thank you so much for allowing your husband to do what he is good at. Yeah. You've been the backbone, and he even told us that every time he goes home from here, he's got a smile on his face, he's happy. Oh, yeah. We make sure that you guys were our priorities. We made sure that you were taken care and being looked after, because the legacy of our parents lives within us. Thank you to all our families that came in today. Thank you for all your support. We thank you for your love. But I gotta give it to the 6 usos and their partners and their family, putting this together for these boys. And yes, we made it. These guys are champions, man. He's made it. See, now you have a story to tell. Whakakai lava ki ngā makua, mām. Whakakai lava, whakakai lea lofa ma le ana lele a kua. You know, our parents, you know, these are our last parents, you know. Amen. And then us, we're the next generation. Despite, even though that I'm not taking it away from these guys, you know, your fellow sermon, my highlight today was seeing the kids get involved. Amen. With what we do. And I always told you boys, the kids, they're number one to me. Doesn't matter whose kids it is. Kids is my first, my priority. Okay, love it, Bill. Okay, love it. For all you do for us, Ma, for all you guys do for us, day in, day out. Roscoe, Christy, Sana, the girls, Ace's boys, love yous, man. Love yous guys heaps. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna leave it here. Now you've got change is good. Change is good. Believe me, you'll see life different. Kaya nawa pilpu nge awa ngoa. To Ace's family, thank you so much for coming in today, supporting your fellow brother. To Deon's family, thank you so much. We couldn't have done it with all of you. You know, we couldn't have done it, but we couldn't have done it with the grace of God. Amen. Okay, love it, Bill. Okay, love it.
Ang paino kung kimakalupe kaya koe kala ulanga matlima. Yenga eri kamarenga folfola ka ku me ai ka ku sua. Yeah. No. Ni masukara. We always have to recognize the person that folfola ka ku sua. Yeah.
Hello, lava family. Hello, fan.
And for the rest of our boys. Yeah. Box of beer for you guys. Ma ia pe aka ku pula pai ka ko wa fa feta wa feta wa bali masa eva wa sasilava wa sasilava wa
O mātou ta mao le lani. Ia pa ia lo soa. Ia mai lo manu. Ia whai a lo whina ana lani pēna whai lani. Ia foi mai a te mātou le asu le a mātou le a tamanasu. Ia wha mangano ia te mātou le a mātou le sao. Peo na mātou foi le mātou wha mangano nātu ia wāre a mai a te mātou. Aua foi tata ina mātou le whasoso. Ai e la rea e mātou ai lea. Ai au mālo mana mana mana. A tōna vinga whawau. Filo wanganga o fio. Filo wanganga anganga sae o fio.
Ya, mais whamanuia mo la ua nei, hip hip! Mais whamanuia tunga ia sua, maranga kau, hip hip! Mais whamanuia mo malu kako a inga, hip hip! Mais whamanuia ki le lava mo kako kua laga, hip hip! Ya,